good?
Yeah. Might want to back up a little bit.
Back from our walk, rub-a-dub-dub, time for some grub. You good?
Yeah, I'm good. Might want to back up a little bit. Hey, well that happened.
Anyway, as I was gonna say,
Boys and girls.
the fire's going. What's the temperature? It's 51 degrees. Let's go get a pot of water to boil. Got a Dutch oven tonight. Got about an inch of water in there. Back to the fire we go.
How far did that shit fly?
Put the pot on. That's boiling. Let's go catch us some crawfish. Follow the lights. Alright. What's cooking? Good looking.